How to J-turn.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is a J turn, J or a 180 turn. Definitely practice this on a closed road like here. And what I'm gonna do is you need to have a little bit of speed to really swing it around. I'm on dry asphalt here, so it is gonna have an impact on my grip and how it's gonna spin around. So what's important here is we wanna transfer weight. I wanna transfer weight quite quickly in the sense that as I'm coming in, I'm gonna sort of counterbalance the car by counter steering the car. So if I wanna do a left hand J-turn, I'm going to just steer slightly to the right. I'm gonna really transfer my weight to the one side of the car. That's gonna give me way more inertia for when I switch to the other side, and it'll allow the car to swing around at a faster pace and give it a little bit more angle. You need to be, again, quite aggressive. The more speed works better. So if you do have a bigger open space, it does help making mistakes. So again, initiating the turn, a nice counter steer in, then we're gonna whip back the other way, do a full hard e-brake as I'm rotating the wheel to turn in the direction that I wanna go. Practice those little moves first, one by one. Progression is gonna be the best way to learn how to do this properly. And then when you're ready, pull the handbrake, and you need to pull really hard and really quick. Or just before activation, I'm gonna clutch in, handbrake, turn, all simultaneously. So clutch in, handbrake, turn, let the car come around enough, allow the wheels to be locked for a little bit of time, enough time to get it to spin around, because the minute you release the handbrake, it's gonna wanna grip because we're under a slide, wheels are locked. So that's gonna be really important. And then you can either leave it in second gear, do a nice clutch drop, or throw it into first gear and kind of let yourself spin out of it. So we'll give a little try here. I'm gonna turn into this part. And I'm just gonna do it from second gear, like I said. So I'm gonna come in, second gear, and then I'm gonna twist, just like that. So not that much speed. Come in again, twist one way, so that one I got quite a bit around and was able to maintain the slide all the way through. Then when you get more and more practice, obviously this is gonna tear up the tires quite a bit, especially when you're on asphalt. So in snow and stuff, it is a little better, but you need a little less speed to kind of activate that. And when you want to go the other way, it's the same concept. I'm gonna turn one way, then turn to the other, and you'll be able to do that in the proper maneuver. So that's the J-turn.
And that's the basics of the J-turn, brought to you by the Drive Experience. Drive responsibly, professional driving on those roads. Please like and subscribe for more how-to content.